Good afternoon, everybody. We have some new incoming vehicles. We have a 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. We have a 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class 4MATIC. We have a Hyundai Tucson 2020. We have a 2021 INFINITI QX80. We have a 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. We have a 2019 Ford Edge ST. We have a 2021 Volvo XC40. And last but not least, we have a 2018 Toyota 4Runner. All these cars will be on the website soon. We'll unload them, take some pictures, put all the details, pricing. If you like our content, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, like the video, and we'll keep the posts coming. It'll be the quickest way for you to see what vehicles we have coming in. Thanks for watching.